Alright guys, I'm going to try to make your own exam. Now you see this place. You press here, as you can see. I'll show you here. You now press 4. Here I'll show you 4, I can show you 1. That's it. So I'm going to try to ace my exam. So you press start exam. Are you sure you want to start exam? You see instruction. Read the question carefully before answering. So you press start exam. Now they show you they show you question like this. Why is liquid actually important in our daily life to ensure correctly cooking, medical and experiments? Yes, correct. So you just tap that place and press next. And you'll see which which tool will be best for measuring a very small amount of liquid. So I think it's this one. So I'll do next. If you think it's cup, breaker or bucket, you just comment down below. So I'll press next. Why should liquid measurement be used at the eye level? So it's to read the measurement carefully correctly. Why must a measurement cylinder be placed on a flat surface measurement liquid? To get an accurate reading, yes. Now, next one, it says, which property best help or satisfy a liquid? Which property is best to help or satisfy a liquid? I think it's to follow and take the shape of a container. Yes, I think so. Now, let's say I know the one. It says that they'll show this total answer of answer 5, total mark review 0, total not answer yes, and I have 15 questions left. So if you hear me, I'll say it again. 5 total answer, total mark review, total not answer, total review. If a liquid is produced in 2 different containers, what's this the same? If a liquid is produced in 2 different containers, it's the same. I think it's a volume. If you don't think so, just comment down any of this you're saying. Why does honey pour more sugar than water? Because honey is thick and it's a liquid. So if you think it's solid, just smash that like. If you think he has no volume, subscribe. And if you think he has honey is colder, just comment down below. Which observation shows that heat is being conducted? Shows heat being conducted. Shows that heat being conducted. I think it's this one. So I'll press next. Which materials would be best for making a butter? I think it's plastic. Yeah. If you think it's this. If you think it's copper, if you think it's iron, smash that like on him if you take his aluminium comment. So as I'm feeling a little bit sick today, the cold weather. A cooler keep drink cold mainly because I think it prevents heat from entering me. I think so. Or a house in a hot region, open the house right. I think it will reflect the heat away from the sun, but I don't know. So I'll press this one. Now next one, you'll see which one. Also, clothing treatment best for help someone stay cool in hot weather. Cool. I think thick swims. No, it's thick swim sweaters. Yeah, I think so. Why do polar bears survive in the very? I think it's their fur because they have fur. Why does a thermometer glass keep hot drinks? Why does a thermometer glass keep hot drinks on for a long period? Because it reduces transfer me, I think so. So I'll do next. So me, I have 6 questions that I want to answer. Oh no. I can do that. Now, which question should the use of good thermal insulators, a good thermal insulators? I think it's only jacket and cold weather. I think so. So I press next. Oh! Now, why are cooking pot without of metal instead? Metal conducts heat. Yeah, metal conducts heat. Now, in a fair spoon 6, why should us put in hot water at the same time? To make the test fair. Yes. To make the test fair. Wow. I'll press this and press next. Now, 3 more questions left. Then I'm done. Why should a wooden spoon be safer than a metal spoon in a soup pot? Because it doesn't conduct heat easily. Yes. Next. 2 more questions. Why a metal spoon and a wooden spoon are placed in hot water? Why the metal spoon and a wooden spoon are placed in hot water? Because the metal spoon feels hot. Oh my god, I don't think. Metal conducts heat faster, yes. Okay. Why does poor insulators make from cold drinking? Because I like it. I escape or enter easily, no? I think it's this one. It's complete. Complete. making a video. Let's press complete. Yes, now that's what it's called. Wow. Please be something good. Please be something. Oh, 16. Not a basketball for 20. Not a basketball. So if you guys enjoy, like, subscribe.